Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you go to your post you've liked section on Instagram. So basically all the posts that you have liked in the past appear in that panel. So first of all we open up our Instagram, and now then we're gonna go to our profile, which is on the bottom right. And on the top right you see those three bars. You can press on that, and now you go to your settings. Now you go to your account, and now there should be an option here among these options in the bottom that says posts that you've liked, but I'm unable to find it. Why? Because this is like a bug maybe on Instagram, that on some accounts or maybe some regions this option is not available. So what you can do for that is that on Android phones, I don't know if this option is available on um, sorry, I don't know if this option is available on iPhone, but Android users can go to their Instagram app, and then they can scroll down, and there's an option that says join the beta program. So they can join the beta program and their app will shift to the beta version, and they might have the option in there. So that is one way. Another way is to download Instagram Lite. Then again, this option is only available on Android phones, and because I just searched for it and I couldn't really find Instagram Lite, but it is indeed available on Instagram Lite. So that is pretty much how you can go ahead and you can find that option basically on the Instagram app. Either just switch to either update your app, or switch to the beta version, or just download Instagram Lite. So right now this is just something that's not totally fixed, or there's not a simple way to get to it. So that is pretty much all you needed to know on this topic. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.